So in my comprehensive versus collision video, I explained the difference between the two coverages. Comprehensive coverage protects from acts of nature or theft, and collision coverage protects when you collide with another vehicle or a stationary object. Now that we understand the differences, let's take in some key tips and some other things to know about your comprehensive and your collision coverages. These tips will help you keep your insurance premiums low and also help to understand your policy. First of all, the impact on your insurance premium is significantly less when you have a comprehensive claim versus a collision one. Comprehensive claims on average cost significantly less than collision claims. According to the Insurance Information Institute, in 2017, the average collision claim cost was $3,425, but the average comprehensive claim was $1,817. One reason for this is that cars are becoming a lot more expensive to repair and are having a lot more technology implemented into their designs. Collision claims also stay open for a long period of time also, due to auto body shops having additional repairs or supplements found once they start working on the vehicle. So with all that being said, you're way better off having a comprehensive claim than a collision one. So consider this scenario. You're driving down the road and a tire blows out on a Mack truck and the debris is headed directly towards your vehicle. If you swerve into another vehicle's lane, you'll hit another driver. But if you slam on the brakes, the tire debris will damage your car. In this example, I would recommend slamming on the brakes and letting the tire debris hit your car. Reason being that the tire debris will be considered as a falling object and will be covered under your comprehensive coverage. Swerving into another lane could make you liable for an accident, which means your insurance coverage would have to pay for the damages. If you found this information helpful, share it with a friend. And as always, thank you for allowing the Insurance Quotient to keep you informed.